Hiya!
Yo!
Welcome to the Kim Wright YouTube channel. This is another edition of the Geek Gear unboxing.
Oh, to be perfectly honest, I was kind of surprised that we got this here today. It's,
So was I.
Yeah, because we normally, well, it's only just a few weeks
This
ago.
is the January edition of Geek Gear, and normally you'd have this video in February. Except it arrived the 25th of January.
No complaints about that, though.
No complaints. Complete shock, but no complaints.
Yeah, considering that normally it's been like 2-3 months in between each lating, each box, and this one has come within weeks of the previous one. So, yay.
Right. So,
cool.
Shall we have a look?
Yep, you got your box there?
Yeah.
Shall I go up behind the camera?
Yeah.
Oh, wee.
Find yourself a Kim.
Oops, sorry. I'm going to head behind the camera so I can make sure it's all focused. And Kim has run off. There we go. Oh, behave yourself, Kim. There you go. Right, so okay.
It's got a very weird smell.
Is it sort of like cardboardy type smell?
Like a lemony type smell.
Ooh, lemony. I haven't smelled that. Let's have a sniffy.
See what you think.
I smell cardboard, but I can't smell lemon at the moment. But
Kind of missing the yellow though. Back to just being plain cardboard. It hasn't got its little.
Oh, you don't have the rip pull cord or ripcord or whatever it is.
It's just the general.
Bonk.
Okay.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Got a letter.
I wasn't expecting that.
What, a letter?
Now the clue last month was Hegrig.
Has that got the official seal on the front? What's in the seal?
It's not wax.
I know. Yeah, what's written on the wax seal? Is there anything on there?
Geek Gear Wizardry.
Ah, okay.
Now, how carefully do I need to take this off?
Ricky.
Okay.
Okay, so read it out, read it loud, read it proud.
Our boxes are changing for the better. We apologise if people felt like we have lacked in our personalised and handcrafted charm the way we started back in 2016. From our February box onwards, we are changing our boxes, our packing and our content. Expect only the highest quality products with unique and cute packaging. Expect handcrafted, original artworks and so much more. Thank you for being a loyal subscriber from the Geek Gear team.
Okay, so it looks like we're going to get a little bit
in the style of the Hogwarts letter.
So it looks like they're going to be wrapping it up a notch.
In the meantime, I hope they redesign the box.
Yeah.
Not liking the brown.
Yeah, I mean that's more like your old primitive basic cardboard.
Still got the yellow paper though.
Oh yes, light yellow paper.
Like the yellow. Now, as always,
A
we
t-shirt.
start with the t-shirts. Oh, there's quite a lot of stuff in here.
Okay. What's that supposed to be a picture of?
I think it's meant to be Hogwarts.
Is it?
Yeah, because look, there's the Quidditch ring.
Oh, right, okay.
And that must be the Hogwarts building.
Okay. I'll just hold it up for the camera. There you go. Let's hold that up. You'll see it there. Oh, that's nicely shown there. There you go. Hunt. Coming in.
Need that later. Kim?
Have a t-shirt for you. Hey, almost. Come back here.
Ooh, another cushion cover. Oh, damn, we've got to buy another cushion.
Nothing wrong with getting more cushions. This place needs a little bit of warming up right now.
Now let's look at, as I mentioned it, let's look at the cushion cover, see what it looks like.
Mm.
Ooh. Remember the t-shirt that we got in the special?
Yeah.
That's a version of it in the cushion cover.
Nice. We'll hold it up for the camera. There we go. That up for you like that. Yeah. There you go.
Huh? Well, maybe by the next video you'll see this in a cushion.
Yeah, as I said, we'll have to get a couple of cushions, but I think there's like, oh, actually there's one right down there actually that's waiting for a cover.
Oh yes.
If I can actually reach it without getting flat that fader and knocked over. Here you go. Do you want to put it in that?
Yeah. In a minute. I'm still unboxing.
Let's unbox this. Okay, I'll do it for you. There you go.
And like that, we have a cushion.
Hey.
There you go, Kim. You can pour it. Instead, we have the owl.
Ooh, owie.
You want to see
Owie,
it?
owie, owie. Sorry, that's not me in pain. Oh, and the owl there, nice Christmassy owl. There you go.
I like his big eyes.
Ooh, what big eyes you've got there.
Oh, the better to charm you with. Oh, the theme must be owls rather than the letter.
Ooh, what have we got? What is that?
I love him already.
What have you got?
I don't know how to open it. There we go. You guys ready to see it? It's a fluffy, snowy owl. Isn't he cute?
It's so fluffy! It's so fluffy!
Fluffy, so soft, so cute.
Yeah,
Don't
there you
cry,
go.
don't cry.
No? Okay.
Just in case he's fragile.
It's
What
so,
do you think, Kim?
It's so fluffy!
I'm going to put him right here on the desk. Next one. Oh, it's bubble wrapped. Okay. Very well bubble wrapped. Oh, hold on.
Tension sheets. Tension sheet. Just need to be painted red.
Just need to paint it red and put tension sheet on it. There you go, got it open. I wonder what it is. Well, it's a necklace. Very big, chunky necklace. But
oh, wait a minute. That could be some bling for the for MC Pipler.
Pipler!
I think we've got Pipler.
It's got a little frog design on it. I'm trying to think who this is supposed to represent.
The frog?
Yeah.
Isn't that the frog from the sweets?
That would make sense, but I think there's someone who actually wears a frog medallion.
That actually looks, you know, right at the very first Harry Potter, he had these Bassett's licorice all sorts, Bertie Bott's every flavoured mints.
Yeah.
And the the card that was in there is like in a hexagonal shape like that.
Yeah.
It's hexagonal, isn't it? It just looked very much like the card from those sweets. I don't
The
know.
chocolate frogs.
Yeah.
Anyway, at long last.
MC Pipler's got some bling.
Might have to sort of.
Yeah, let's take the cap off first. And then you can like put it around him twice.
I'm not sure if I can put it on
Yeah.
random twice. There we go.
There you go.
Spout. That's
So MC Pipler. MC Pipler in the house. There you go.
Kim, you've got too much bling and you know it. She's got 2 necklaces. Second one's around here somewhere. There it is. I think that Medusa necklace should go on Pipler.
The Medusa.
Yeah. We'll think about it.
Oh, I want to keep my bling.
The Love Potion Tea.
Oh.
Mixberry infusion. Hibiscus. Apple pieces. Rosehip smells. I wonder if this is what was giving off the smell before I opened the box.
Let's have a look.
Rosehip shells. Citrus peel.
Citrus.
Citrus peel. Flavouring. Raspberry pieces.
Have a look.
Oh,
Tea.
wow.
Love Potion Tea.
Very reluctant to, but I'm going to have to try and taste that. I think we'll keep that in there for now. We'll keep that in one of the drawers in the kitchen. Ooh. Power, longing, humility. The Deadly Hallows. The 3 brothers. Or in other words,
The Deathly Hallows.
the Deadly Hallows symbol. The Elder Wand.
The Resurrection Stone.
No, that's
And
the
the
Resurrection
Yeah.
Stone.
The other one,
The Resurrection Stone.
and the Cloak of
And
Invisibility.
the Cloak of Invisibility.
Death's Cloak. Death's Wand. And Death's Gallstone? I don't know.
No. Death took a twig from an elder wand and fused it into a wand from an elder tree. From a random stone in the river, he granted the other brother immortality. And from a piece of his own cloak, he made the invisibility cloak to conceal the 3rd brother.
Piece of his own shroud.
Yeah.
I think that sounds better. Let's take that, and I'll put that up to the camera like that. Wee.
That will have to go in my little post-it board at some point. Shall we go through some of the stuff?
Okay.
First, let's see what the hint is. Ooh.
What's the hint?
The hint are sirens.
Sirens.
Remember one of the challenges in the Goblet of Fire? Harry
Okay.
Potter had to swim to rescue Ron.
Ah, right. Oh, yeah, I remember
Water.
that. Weren't they called kelp or something? Kelp?
They might, yeah, I think they were kelp. We know them as sirens.
Okay.
Okay.
I think they were both monsters there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
exclusive wizardry necklace, sported by our Pipla.
Pipla, MC Pipla.
This month we have included this fantastic necklace. This necklace pays homage to everyone's favourite wizardry treat and magical pet. Exclusive owl plush. It's not an owl plush. He's not.
It's a plushie.
He's soft and cuddly.
That's...
He's not cuddable.
Actually, what makes a plushie a plushie?
I'm not sure.
I
always thought a plushie was a little stuffed teddy bear. There's been some stuff.
What, a bit like your white dragon over there.
Yeah, my little white dragon right here, which I don't think they can see.
No, they can't. They can't see it. Want to pull it up? Pull it on your lap?
Yeah, put him on my lap. Get him on. You guys will know this person.
So snuggly.
My new Build-A-Bear friend. Of many. Looking forward to the new film. Maybe we should take her with us when we see the new film.
Okay.
That didn't go well when we tried to take Blue to see Jurassic World. On the day we decided to take Blue, which is another one of my Build-A-Bears, to see Jurassic World, we actually took it on the day City World had a power cut.
Yeah, and it's...
so we took him for a meal instead.
Yeah.
Anyway, rambling now.
Rambling.
You be quiet. Take a step further to becoming a witch or wizard with your very own miniature owl.
Ooh.
A faithful servant who has helped witches and wizards for centuries, and now it can help you with all your wizardry needs in the wizarding world.
Neat.
And he's so cute.
Hoot hoot.
We really need to sort the ornaments.
Yes, we do need to sort the ornaments
I think
out.
he can stay here on this desk for now.
For now.
Or maybe I'll show you. Maybe if I stick him next to this owl here.
I'll have to clean up the area first. Yeah, we need to clean the area up a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit. Love Potion Tea. This is probably to, at the moment, replace the recipes.
Oh yeah, because I did the last ones last time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This month,
Oh yeah.
I'm close actually. Closer than I thought I was.
Oh.
This month starts the beginning of our own tea selection.
Ooh.
Each month you will be giving. Oh, we will be giving our subscribers. I knew that didn't make any sense.
Giving.
Different wizardry-inspired pouch of loose leaf tea. This month is a mixed berry-infused love potion tea, which is sweet and fruity with a deep red colour.
Nice.
Problem with that is, I kind of want to try it now. But I kind of don't.
Well, we'll give these a try. I mean, it will be nice to have a little try out.
Yeah, little try.
We'll do that after work tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll see if we can film ourselves, even if it's on my phone. This cushion cover comes... Oh, the wizardry cushion cover. Right here. This cushion cover comes with a funky kaleidoscope-like wizardry design. It kind of reminds me of the sneakerscope from...
Oh, yeah.
Not sneakerscope, the compass.
I was going to say a kaleidoscope.
Yeah.
Does look a little bit like a kaleidoscope. But a compass? Well, you mean the alethiometer?
No. As in...
The alethiometer from Northern Lights.
Yes.
Yeah, with all the different symbols.
All the different symbols which should represent... And she should be able to look at the symbols and be able to read what is being said.
It's not a golden compass, it's an alethiometer.
Oh, it's got a challenge as well.
Oh.
Can you spot and name all the wizardry items in this design?
Okay, right, so we have to look at it now. Let's put it up and have a look at it.
Sorry, Kim, you're going to have to move your paw. I know you like it. Okay, let's have a look.
Right, we've got it. Right, I'm going to zoom the camera into a little bit so we can actually see it. Right, so do you want to hold it up? So hold it to your cheek like that. Yeah. Right, so I'm going to try and see if we can zoom in a little bit. There we go. Right.
Okay. Well, adjacent corners here, we've got Harry Potter's
Glasses.
We've got
Hedwig
here,
yeah.
or at least now, with him adjacent on the bottom here. Not sure what these are meant to represent, although they do look like H's, so I'm thinking they're more like the H from Harry Potter.
Yeah, or windows or something like that. Okay, so in the centre roll, we've got...
In the centre, we've got...
The lightning
bolt.
Are those keys around it?
Yeah, and I'm trying to think, were there ever keys?
Well, in the first one, there's keys to open the doors, all the flying keys.
That is true.
To open a... Okay, let's go right up to the top. Sorry, middle top lightning bolt. Up, 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 up.
Oh, this one.
Yeah. Okay, so that's a lightning bolt. That next
Badger, snake,
yep.
lion.
Hippogriff. Okay, the badger is Hufflepuff, snake,
Hufflepuff, Slytherin, Gryffindor,
Ravenclaw. Yeah.
Bizarrely enough, although Ravenclaws are called Ravenclaws, the actual symbol is an eagle, not a raven.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's that we know why they're called Ravenclaws because it's named after Arana Ravenclaw.
Yeah, the teacher.
But the fact that the symbol isn't a raven, is actually an eagle, kind of baffles it. But it could be the same twist as to why Hufflepuffs are badgers, are represented as badgers.
Okay. Oh yeah, because
some people say that the badger is kind of a turtle, because it actually represents a honey badger.
Honey badger. Now the honey badgers are like the Chuck Norris of the animal kingdom. You do not want to go up against the honey badger.
And also they're very loyal.
True.
When I say loyal, I mean there is such a thing called a honey jay, which is a bird. And the honey badger and the honey jay work together to get food.
Oh, okay.
So the honey badger will do all of the work, destroy the bee's hive, gets all the honey, and as he's eating all the honey, the honey jay will fly down and start eating all the bee grubs.
So the honey badger is the worker, the honey jay is the
boss.
It is the the upper class, first class.
Absolutely.
The 1%.
I'm just trying to think where the keys come from. You might be right but I think there's meant to be another reference.
He's key for his vault at Grindelwald. I'm trying to think of all the keys that he's got.
That might be it.
I
forgot that he had to have a key to open the vault.
That Hagrid was holding on to, I think.
Yeah.
But they are supposed to be. But I think the rest is just repeats because it looks like it was just done in a quarter of that side.
I kind of half expect there to be like a hidden symbol around here somewhere.
But like those things that the house items look like guitar picks.
Which ones? These?
Yeah, well, so look at that lightning bolt, for instance.
Yeah.
The thing that it's in, it looks like a guitar pick.
Do you know what? I kind of agree. And or teardrops. I think they're supposed to be teardrops.
Could be. Was there some sort of teardrop that crystallised after crying, like dragon's tears or mermaid's tears? Mermaid?
No, not exactly crystal. When
not
Snape
Phoenix.
died, when Snape died, he was reminiscing on Harry's mother.
Okay.
And as he was reminiscing on Harry's mother, a tear came down his face, and that tear triggered the memory that we all see in the film and what Harry actually sees in the book.
Oh, okay. I was more or less wondering if it might have been more of. I can just about remember that, but I was more or less thinking if it might have been like Fawkes's tears, like for that's healed. Or isn't there someone that's, like I said, a mermaid's tear that's sort of crystallised into pure crystal that's worth an absolute fortune or something and very fragile? Or am I thinking of a different book?
You're thinking of a different film.
Okay, no worries.
You're thinking of Jing Bandit King.
I didn't watch Jing Bandit King, simply because I don't like pirates.
It could be that the what I've seen in Jing Bandit King is based on an old mermaid legend. It wouldn't surprise me. The idea being that this man has captured this mermaid, and she constantly cries, but they're normal tears. And then when Jing reunites the mermaid with her mother, a single tear falls down her cheek and it crystallises into a gem or jewel. Now, the idea being is that the secret to a mermaid's tear isn't sadness, that we would see tears. It's happiness or purity.
That certainly does sound very familiar. As I said, I haven't really watched Jing Bandit King that much. As I said, simply that I don't really follow pirate adventures, but I'm sure that I've seen it in something else as well.
It would make, I mean,
It's a common fable.
Sense that something like that would be based on an
Other
actual
things.
bit of legend.
Yeah.
And I think there is a legend of tears, not with mermaids. I always thought they were with like a will-o-wisp or jing.
Jing.
Yeah. But then it would make sense if they were mermaids because the jing are known as being quite mischievous.
Yes.
Will-o-wisps are misunderstood. Will-o-wisps they can do one or two things if you get lost in a forest. They'll either lead you to your death, which is why they're called will-o-wisps.
Or salvation.
Or salvation. Is the battery going?
No, I'm just pulling the camera back out a little bit.
So, I think that's all of the symbols on there. If you've got a mystery box and you can see another symbol we haven't mentioned, or you think you can come up with another solution to the square ones, by all means like and subscribe and comment. I think we'll go back to the book now.
Okay, cool. Enough rambling.
So, Harry Potter Deathly Hallows print. This one right here.
Yay.
Can't read it when it's pressed against my throat though. This month's print is a tribute to the three, I'm going to get their name wrong, I do apologise, Peverell brothers.
Pavlova.
Peverell. I'm dyslexic, I can't spell. And their legendary story of how they became the owners of the three items said to be created by death. This print is an amazing addition to any Harry Potter collection, and it will be added to my little booklet. Festive Owl pin. I can sort of see why it's still festive, because we are in January.
Yeah, and it's snowing outside as well.
Is it snowing right now?
Well, probably.
Ish, maybe. By the time this goes out, it might be.
We've gotten frost on cars.
Yeah.
Early morning frost.
We are delighted to bring you this adorable and so cute winter tree pin. This cute little tribute to the beautiful snowy owl is kitted out with a festive hat and red scarf to keep him cosy over the winter season. There's a note.
Oh, a note?
Very important note.
Oh, what's
which
the note?
Probably also explains why he's got a Christmas hat on.
Oh, so you noticed the note.
Yeah. Sadly, this little owl was meant to be in our November subscription box, which was replaced with another item. Notice they're not saying what the item is, due to late arrival. So we decided, instead of wasting this cute little snowy owl, to give it to our loyal subscribers as an added extra.
Hey!
It's actually an added extra in today's one. and I think he's so cute.
Too cute.
This stylish line drawing of everyone's favourite wizarding school, Ilvermore, will have you wishing that you were there walking its prestigious halls. This design is printed on a Gildan soft style t-shirt and is a great addition to your wardrobe. Sadly, it's short sleeves, so I won't be able to wear it until the summer.
So a couple of more months until the temperature warms up a little bit.
And that's...
And that, as they say, is that.
Yeah.
Cool.
Ooh, falling off already. Damn. I've got to say, my favourite is the little plushy owl.
You like the little plushie?
Yeah. I kind of wish he was a niffler, though.
Well,
I've been seeing a lot of niffler plushies there, but I've already got my niffler, so...
an MC Niffler.
MC Niffler. MC Niffler and MC Pokemon. And MC Kim as well. But you're more special than that. I'm no gangster. And we haven't found a hat for you yet.
Kimber is so good she doesn't need it. Kimber is so good she doesn't need a hat.
So I've been quite impressed. I'm looking forward to what they've got this year.